In this short tutorial, you will learn some easy steps to stop being added to unwanted Instagram groups. Many people find it annoying to be constantly added to different Instagram groups without their permission. If you're one of them, don't worry, there are ways to put a stop to it. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called How Others Can Interact with You, and under that section, you'll see an option called Messages and Story Replies. Just tap on it. And then tap Message Controls. Now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom and tap where it says, Who can add you to groups? To stop being added to groups on Instagram, tap and select Only People You Follow on Instagram. Now only people you follow will be able to add you to groups. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.